Hello, my beautiful fart faces. Today we're going to be unboxing, unbagging the rest of the diamond paintings that I ordered from DIYChoose. If you want to watch the previous unboxing, I will put a link in the description below. Before we get started, if you're new here, I'd love it if you would smash the subscribe button. Just don't break your computer screen or your cell phone screen. Smash that button and follow me. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis. Okay, let's go. So I'm going to open, which one should I open? Let's open this one, because it's in the middle. So we're going to open this one first. I ordered 6 diamond paintings. These are from DIYChoose. I will actually put up on the screen right now as I'm cutting this. Editing Beverly, please insert on the screen. I'll put up how long it took for my order to arrive. Shipping was only $3. Can I just say that's amazing? They call it freight charges. So here we have another special drill. I'm really on the special drill kick right now. If I can open this one, I can show you it. Okay, what is wrong with me? Okay, so this one is 30 by 30. It is of a cute cat. Let me just smash that, and then here's our basic kit. Comes with baggies. That's a good bonus. Here's the drills. And let's take a look at the cat. So we have 2 schematics, one on the top left, bottom right. And here we can take a look at the thumbnail. It's a cute, colorful cat. Here's the schematic. And looks like there's 15 different drills in this one. Look how adorable that is. Come on, focus. That's pretty adorable. So up close you can see that it's not a full drill, it's a partial drill, just meaning that you're not going to be drilling the entire image. Look at its paws. That's so adorable, and it's sitting on like a pink cushion. There's some flowers around it. Cool. Let's take a look at the drills for this one. I don't usually show the drills, but when there's special drill partials, I like to show the drills just because I want to see them right away, and I like looking at the different sizes and the different types we get. So here's some gold stars, some regular white ones, pink, blue, orange, green. Ooh, these are pretty. So yeah, not a lot of different special drills. Oh, we forgot about these. Oh my god, these are so pretty in pink. Okay, so not a lot of special drills in this one, but I think it'll turn out really cute. If you watched my previous unboxing, I was talking about how I should be hired at a diamond painting factory as an intern who packages the drills so that I can take my learnings and that experience and package my drills correctly. So I'm still waiting for a job offer from a diamond painting factory. My phone line is open if you want to call me up and hire me. I can get paid in diamond paintings, and I will sleep on your floor. So please consider that. Ooh, look, I'm already a professional packager. I got that in just like I received it. So consider hiring me. Next up, let's open this one. Yeah. Yeah. This one isn't in a plastic bag. Okay. Oh, what am I doing with my life? So this one measures 30 by 40. This is like the smaller version of what I just ordered. Oh my god, which I have here. Look at this. In the previous unboxing video, I unboxed this cat, and then this. It's just a smaller version of it. What am I doing? So this one measures 40 by 30, 40 by 50 and this one measures 30 by 40. Whatever, I'll like gift this one to someone else. So let's take a closer look at it. There's a thumbnail. It is 15 different colors. Interesting because the larger one is also 15 different colors. So it's not, you're not going to be laying down as many drills as you would be on the large one, obviously. And there's no peacock drills in this one. If you know what peacock drills, let me know. Peacock drills are, let me know in the comments below. It is my new language, my new term for a specific type of drill. So just some flowers in the cat body. Again, like you're not going to be doing a lot of detail. There's like 5, 6 drills in this little branch here, whereas in the bigger painting, you can see that there's like a zillion. Well, not a zillion, but you know what I mean. Okay, so let's take a look at the drills for this one. I can't believe I ordered a smaller version, but it's okay because I'll just either keep it for a giveaway, or I'll give it to one of my friends who wants to start diamond painting, because a small one like that is a good beginner size. So here we have some of the drills. These are really pretty. Ooh, these are like one of my favorites. They're so blingy. They make me feel rich. Someday I'll be rich. Red. Ooh, these are sparkly. Are those ABs? No, they're just like crystals. Okay, here's some ABs. More crystals. And I hold on to these crystals too. Then I can like use them in other diamond paintings. I haven't yet, but I'm meaning to. And that's all that matters, right? Right. Okay. Check out my expert packaging skills. Please consider hiring me at your factory. You can pay for my airfare to your factory. And again, I will get paid in diamond paintings, but you have to feed me on a regular basis. That goes in here. I'm not an expert, never mind. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is just getting embarrassing, guys. This is just embarrassing. Get rid of it. This is the last one we have to unbox. Let's take a look. Here. I was like, where's the opening? These scissors suck. They're really old. I think they were my mom's. I just stole them from their house. Okay, so I hope this isn't another freaking cat. Okay, woo, woo. Here's the toolkit, just a basic toolkit. Drills. Look at these pretty butterflies. So this one measures 30 by 40. There's a schematic top right, bottom left there's a schematic. That's so pretty. Clear drill field. So the background, you're not drilling anything in the background. But look, the background is like pink paint or something. It's really nice. I like this one with some flowers. And then the 2 butterflies. And here's the schematic. Looks like there's 13 different drills in this one. We shall look at the drills now. Okay, let's take a look at these. Ooh, there's some black crystals. Those are really pretty. These are cute. Sparkly. So shiny. Ooh, look at these ABs. Are these 136? Does it say? No, it doesn't. I think these are 136 ABs. Ooh. Oh, Lord, those are so cute. And then, okay. So this is my order from DIYChoose. Again, you can thank Christopher. I'll link his channel below. He's the one who made me buy these. He forced my hand. After I watched his video, he was like, Beverly, you must go buy these, and then I went and bought partials from them. This is actually my part 2 of my first order from DIYChoose, so I will leave the link to the first unboxing in the description below. Let me know in the comments. I'm genuinely curious if you'd rather see one long unboxing video where I unbox all 6 of the canvases, or would you rather see 2 videos where I unbox 3 in each video. I don't know. Let me know. So I have another order coming from DIYChoose that should be here shortly, like in the next week or so. So it'd be good to know for when I do that unboxing. But anyways, if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. I'd love it if you join my hive. I post diamond painting videos on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!